Hi kids. A, B, C. A for A, B, C. A for An. B for bird. C for cat. C for cat. A for An, B for bird, C for cat. So, let's go. Today, let's learn how to do alphabet drawing. Let's start with. Now I am drawing letter A. A for aeroplane, A for apple, A for an. Now I am doing an. A for an. Now I am doing an. A for an. Now I am drawing letter B. Now I am drawing letter B. B for ball, B for bear, B for bird, B for bicycle, B for bike, etc. Now I am drawing bird. B is for bird. B is for bird. Now I am drawing bird. B is for bird. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for bicycle. B is for bat. Now I am doing letter C. Now I am doing letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. Now I am doing cat. C is for cat. Bye bye kids. Watch the full video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Now I am drawing cat. C is for cat. Bye kids.